Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is how often should you change a UV bulb? Change your UV bulb when it needs changing. So if you've done your maintenance and your water's nice and clear, start of the year, going in through warmer summer months, it's still nice and clear and you're doing all your usual maintenance, and you go past the year mark, just sit back, chill out, keep your wallet in your pocket and just let it go. You're probably going to get another year, you may even get 3 or 4 years out of it. So change it when it needs changing. I've got customers that we've put filters on with UVs. I'll put some pictures up of the jobs we've done. One was a BioSmart 36,000 that we put in I think it was April 2017, so 5 years ago. And we have not changed the bulb once. We did another one same year actually. It was a ProfiClear. It was a ProfiClear drum filter, and that had a 55 watt UV bulb on that, and we actually changed that at the end of last year, so almost got 5 years out of that one. And I've got so many customers that don't change them and only need changing as and when. So the next thing about changing UV bulb is it depends on the quality of bulb that you buy. So a lot of shops sell these really awful bulbs where you buy one, you get like 18 free or something silly like that. So honestly, they may be cheap, but you do get what you pay for. Now I'm not sponsored by them, but we always use, there's two types of bulbs we always use for our customers. So we've got the OASE range. These are great bulbs. I mean, they're a little bit more pricey, but they tend to last quite well. And also Tropical Marine Center, they're good bulbs too. They're the best ones, so we wouldn't really use anything else. So the other crafty thing where I think the myth comes from, you have to change the bulb every year. So if you it's the manufacturers again, I think the manufacturer's going to fall out with me soon, but if you have a look on the box on this one, where did it go? Yeah, so I don't know if you can see it there, it says 8,000 hours per year. So also you get 8,000 hours out of the bulb, so it's about a year's worth. So like I said, we've put these ones in and they're over 5 years old, so it is just one of them really. I mean, if you really want to change it every year, by all means, but they will glow for longer. Buy a nice decent bulb, change it as and when, save yourself a little bit of money each time. And you know, you might be one of these people that have a pond that the UV needs to be changed once a year. So you know, if you're doing that and you're buying a decent bulb, then by all means that's fine. But just try it, see how long you can go for before it actually needs changing, before you need to change it. If the water starts to go green, it literally, once the UV's in and everything's working properly, only take a few days to clear anyway. So you know, it's worth a little test. So one problem we found, a lot of our customers have changed the UV bulb within the year and then the water's still gone green. So when you change your UV bulb, or you do your yearly maintenance or whatever it is you're doing to your filter, just make sure you take the quartz sleeve out of the UV and make sure that that's clean. So we're in Sussex, and we've got the South Downs around the corner from us, so our water's really chalky, so we get quite a lot of lime scale. And yeah, so it can be quite common, you get quite a lot of lime scale building up on the quartz sleeve, and obviously the light's not getting out, so you put a brand new bulb in, but the light can't actually get out to the water, so that needs to be cleaned. So if you do it once a year, you probably find that you can just give it a little wipe and it will go, you know, it'll clean up quite easy. If you leave it for too long, it can be a bit more tricky to clean, but depends where you are. You might have it in for 5 years and take it out and it's spotlessly clean, so it doesn't always get dirty, but it's always worth just checking. So take your quartz sleeve out when you put your new UV in, or even just check the quartz sleeve every year, and if the UV is still glowing and the water's nice and clear, do yourself a favour and don't buy a new one.